Hey, what's up guys? My name is Travis Blazier Performance out of Wisconsin. We're at Trask Performance here in Arizona. We did the turbo tuning class, and it's incredible. It takes you from step one all the way through, installing the turbo to installing the Thunder Max, building a map if you didn't have a turbo map, and doing the final tune all the way to the customer out the door down the road. It's a great class. It takes 2 days. And you can leave satisfied and confident that you can build a turbo and get it done for the customer in short order. I'd highly recommend it. It takes a person that doesn't know Thunder Max in general, and then you leave knowing Thunder Max and knowing how to tune a turbo. So it's kind of like 2 classes in one. It's pretty darn convenient. I would say being confident in knowing that we can tune turbos 100% from installing to happy customer going down the road. Sometimes, when you don't get formally trained, you're kind of stabbing in the dark a little bit, and it's trial by fire. This way, and you're confident that you're getting the best product down the road. It's almost a must. It takes the guesswork out of it, and these guys are great. The support that they have here is bar none. I mean, it's an industry-leading customer support. You got any questions, they'll walk you through it. They'll remote in. They'll do what is needed to get you going down the road, and that's huge because nowadays that's so hard to find. I'm really looking forward to it being a lot more efficient process now. There were some things that I wanted to kind of dial in mentally and through a process standpoint. Coming here far more confident, doing it right way, more efficient, and a better final product with better numbers for the customer to feel in the pants and see on the chart.